Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and...
Hey guys.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be.
Because I'm literally incompetent and couldn't film an intro. Here's my intro, everyday makeup routine. Let's get it! So, to start off my concealer, I'm just using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel, and I put this underneath my eyes. I put it down the brim of my nose to start the contouring process, and then I carve out the bottom of my eyebrows. And of course, once that's all blended out, I bake the hell out of that with the Laura Mercier setting powder and then for my eyes, I always wear a warm, kind of reddish eyeshadow. I literally just slap that shit all over my eyes, no rhyme or reason, and then I go in with my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. And I think mascara is so annoying to put on, it's so tedious. What you see me doing here is squeezing that same brush that I used for my eyeshadow and placing that underneath my eyes just to balance out the whole thing. And then I use my Anastasia contour palette and I contour my nose. I always go down the sides and then I make a little button thingy at the top. You'll see what I mean. And then I blend it out with my fingers. Blend it out with my beauty blender. And then go in with that Fenty Beauty highlight. Rihanna did the damn thing with this highlighter. And the lip gloss, which I'll be using later on. I use the highlighter on my cheekbone. I use it underneath my brow bone. I use it on my nose. I use it in my tear duct. So my final step is kind of odd, but I use Aquaphor on my lips and then I put it on my cheekbones and anywhere I highlighted just to add that natural looking glow, and that actually makes you look like a goddess. You're welcome. I told you guys this Fenty Beauty lip gloss is no joke. Okay guys, keep asking me questions about boarding school, keep commenting on my Instagram, my YouTube, anything you want. I have something very exciting coming for you guys very soon.